The money that you've been praying for is in your mouth. You heard me right. The money that you have been praying for is in your mouth. Hello, my friend. I am here because I want to invite you to a live training. That's right, a live training. And what I want you to do is click on the link below and register for this live training. I'm calling it The Treasure is in Your Testimony. Okay, that's the title of it. The Treasure is in Your Testimony. I'm doing a live business training to help you. I heard a preacher say the other day, a businessman, and Dr. Felix Anderson, he said they give us the stuff, but they don't give us the steps. And I was like, oh my God, let me get clear on helping people with the steps. I'm going to give you the steps to making money easy. Okay. And it starts with your testimony. Okay. Your testimony, the treasure that you've been seeking, believing, and asking God for is in your testimony. And I'm going to show you how to put that together and make money easy. Join me for this live training happening. I'm doing this training. Get the details below. And you're going to love it. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, reminding you the most expensive thing you'll ever pay is attention to the wrong people.